Model: 2004 Mercedes Sprinter 311 CDI, 40x long wheelbase, rare size massive van. Good camper conversion, window vans bargain. Body: yellow, camper. Mileage: 210312. MOT: the 12th of July 2024. Engine: 2151 CCM 2697. Transmission: 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs completely fine, but after 20 minutes we realized there is a bit of play in the injectors. Injector No. 1 and No. 2 will need replacing shortly. Well worth doing the work, good 6K spent on the back of the conversion, star-struck gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Camper van fully carpeted out at the back, smiling face, plenty of room in the Camper X long wheelbase, Sprinter, bedding area at the back, van has electrics all around, throwing kisses, would be a fantastic camper for the summer. Features: HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.